All right, let's go build a quickie, a little 50 caser in this convenience store. Hello, I'm Wesley. I'm just grabbing some of these monster cases to put on display. We have our Dasani stag bases here, which I don't necessarily care for, but we have a solution for that. We're gonna feature Ultra on this display. So I wanna make as much room as I can for white, and then these two new Ultra flavors, which are Punk Punch and Blue Hawaiian. And that's be kind of a patriotic display now that I'm thinking about it. Red, white, and blue. 3 across, and then how many tall are we gonna go? So we can go 7 high. Well, yeah, so 7 tall. Face them up. You even face the backside of the display, Wesley? Wow, you really are the GOAT. There are a lot, 4 of these headers, but I think we only need 1 maybe. All right, let's see what kind of POS we got. All right, I know for sure I have some Ultra base wrap. Tape, 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 need some tape.
Where is my super suit?
Here's my bag o' tricks. Got some Punk Punch. I'm gonna go bigger Punk Punch case card with some Ultra base wrap. And we have NASCAR on top. And how could you go wrong?
Oh, thank you. I did it for you, so I'm glad you're happy.